How to change easy grade size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So after click on home screen grade. So after click on home screen, so if you want to change home screen grade, so click on 5x6. So after click on 5x6, so if you want to change home screen grade 4x6, so click on 4x6. So after select 4x6 and 5x6 and click on done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can easy change grade size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.